My country people, better don't land gidigba for Osun. As Osun State Tourism Board gone body with Tourism Association of Nigeria, FTAN bring una Odua Festival, the regional festival for inbound tourism and cultural integration. His Imperial Majesty Obadeyeye Nito Ogunwusi Ojaja II. Now in the host also, and in the welcome all them traditional rulers wey dey southwest. The team now promoting regional tourism, economic expansion and development. You go enjoy arts and crafts, sports, culture, entertainment, agric show, hospitality and exhibition. Make I yarn you, this Southwest program go start on 23rd of June and go end on the 25th of June 2024 at the Center for Arts and Black Culture International. Come make we join hands together. Lift Odua Festival. Senator Jackson Ademola Adeleke. Now you go welcome Southwest governors for Odua Festival 2024. My name na Mobi.